Hello students, welcome to the e-learning classes of Rogers Academy. Today we will study science and the very first chapter of science is human body, the food we eat. So in this chapter we will be discussing about the food that we living things eat. Okay, so shall we begin? Before beginning, I hope you all are having this book, Connect with Science. If you haven't, then please take it out, page number 14, okay, of this book, and also take a rough copy, pencil and eraser and listen very carefully. So shall we begin? Okay. So as you all know, we all love food, right? Do you love food or not? You will, isn't it? Everybody have so much love for food, and without food we can't even survive, isn't it? But what kind of food do you love? That is very important. Okay, so today in this session or in this class we will study about why food is so very important for human beings or for any living things. Okay, so what does food basically does in for us, or what are the benefits of food for all the living organisms? Understood? So living things needs food to stay alive. Just see the line which I've underlined it. Living things. Why do they need food? They need food to stay alive. So that means that without food we cannot stay alive. We will ultimately die, isn't it? So in order to remain alive, we need to eat food. Okay, you can't even stay without food for a day, so it's very important. Okay, next point is food gives us strength, it gives us power, it gives us strength. For what? For doing everything. Okay, without energy you can't do anything. Neither you can walk, neither you can talk, neither you can play, nor you can work. So for remaining healthy, or what does food do to us in our body? It gives us strength, it gives us power to do anything, it gives us energy. Okay, so if we don't eat food we cannot even work. Okay, we can't even do the basic activities. So the third point is it helps us to grow and remain healthy and strong. So there are 3 points over here. See, now living food help us to grow. What it does? It helps us to grow. If you don't eat proper kind of a diet, or if you don't eat proper food, then you cannot grow. Okay, your height will remain very stagnant. Okay, and you will not become healthy from inside. So in order to grow you need to eat food. And what kind of food, that we will study further. But it's very important that we eat food so that we can grow, not only physically but also mentally. Okay, then we need to remain healthy. Why do we eat food? We eat food in order to remain healthy, so that we don't have any diseases in our body, we are not sick, we are fit and fine. Okay, and the third point is we will become very strong. That's why your mother will definitely tell you to have a milk, right? Why? Everybody says that if you drink milk you'll become strong and healthy, but nobody likes to drink milk, right? But now onwards you should drink milk. Why? Because it makes you strong. If you want to be strong, you have to drink milk and healthy foods. Then the last point is it protects us against diseases. That means that if you eat right amount of food, good food, then what will happen? You will not be sick, you will never be sick, you will not fall ill, you will be very healthy and fit and fine. Okay, so these are the reasons why we should eat food and what food does to our body. But the main point is, where do we get food from? Do you even know how do we get food from? There are 2 sources that we can get food from. That is, we can get food from plants, either from plants or from animals. Okay, so plants means vegetables, cereals, pulses, all these things we get it from plants. And when it comes to animals, that means we are talking about meat, fish, milk. These are the things that we get from animal products. Okay, So did you understand till here? I hope I'm clear. Understood? Okay, I'll just give up a sum up. Okay, lastly, I'll just summarize. So, for a human body, in this chapter, we are studying about food. All about food, okay? And we all love food. So, why do we need food to eat? We need food, or living things needs food to stay alive. The most important thing is we need to stay alive. And next, it gives us strength, power. It makes us healthy, strong. That's why we need to eat food, okay? If we don't eat food, then we will not grow, either physically nor or mentally. So eating of food is very, very important. And how do we get food from? We get food from either from plants product or we get from animal products. Okay, so I hope till here it's clear. In my next class, I will move a little further and I'll explain you in more detail. Till then, I hope it's very, very clear. If you have any doubt, please you can come up with your doubts. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.